One to break 650 for the 2013 Panini Limited football box. Thanks everyone for getting in the break and all of you watching. The current date and time according to eBay is Sunday, March 24th, 2019, 9:42 p.m. Pacific Time, 11:42 p.m. Central Time, and it's Monday, March 25th, 12:42 a.m. Eastern Time. We have Chris with 25 spots, Rob 2, Jamo 2, and Tony with 3 spots. I'm going to randomize you guys 7 times to determine your teams for the break. Chris is on top, Tony on the bottom. Good luck. Once, twice, 3 times, 4, 5, 6, and lucky number 7 has Chris on top and bottom. Alright, Chris, you have the Cardinals, Falcons, Ravens, Tony Bills, Chris Panthers and Bears, Tony Bengals, Chris Browns, Cowboys, Broncos, Lions, Jamo Packers, Chris Texans, Colts, Jaguars, Jamo Chiefs, Chris Dolphins, Rob Vikings and Patriots, Chris Saints, Giants, Tony Jets, Chris Raiders, Eagles, Steelers, Chargers, 49ers, Seahawks, Rams, Buccaneers, Titans, and last but not least, the Washington Redskins. Alright, here we are. Whichever team is on the jersey is where the card will go. Good luck. Come on, Brady, in here, or come on, fall over, Tom Brady. First up, Oakland Raiders, rookie phenom DJ Hayden. This is 180 out of 299. We have Jay Nukchek for the Dallas Cowboys. This is number 8 out of 25. We have Baltimore Ravens, Joe Flacco, formerly of the Ravens, 301 out of 399. The Detroit Lions, we have Barry Sanders, 113 out of 349. And for the Oakland Raiders rookie auto out of 299, we have Michael Riviera. For the Oakland Raiders. The Oakland Raiders getting a twofer. Didn't Flacco go to the Broncos? Pretty sure he went to the Broncos. Nice. San Diego Chargers, Keenan Allen, rookie, 199. Keenan Allen. Always a beast in fantasy football, that's for sure. You guys all do fantasy football? Or am I just assuming that? And then last but not least, we have Denard Robinson. So one we'll look up. And it does say expired, but don't worry, just scratch that off and redeem it. Okay. So let's go back through and see who's getting what. And next time season rolls around, we'll have to get a P2J fantasy football league going. How much you guys usually play for? Oakland Raiders is going to Chris. Congrats, Chris. And the Dallas Cowboys. Check 8 out of 25. And that is for the Dallas Cowboys, which is going to Chris. Congrats, Chris. Cool. I'll be down for $100. 8-team, 10-team, 12-team. Joe Flacco. Baltimore Ravens going to Chris. Congrats, Chris. Yeah, 50 is easier to get. Detroit Lions, Barry Sanders Legends. Detroit Lions is going to Chris. Congrats, Chris. Alright, cool. We'll make a note of that. I got this Keenan Allen rookie jersey, San Diego Chargers. Yeah, 12 is pretty much standard. San Diego Chargers going to Chris. Congrats, Chris. 12 teams, $50 each. And then last but not least, Denard Robinson. Right. Robinson. nickname Shoelace. It's the Jaguars, and he only ever played for the Jaguars. So Jacksonville Jaguars is going to Chris. That was a clean sweep for Chris. So congrats, Chris, on the 2013 Panini Limited. And I want to thank all of you for getting in the break. We really appreciate it. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Check us out on social media and our eBay store at P2J Sports Cards. Hope to see you guys soon, and stick around for the bonus break spot. Thanks.